go. Morning, folks. John Canode here from Ormond Beach, Florida. It is Monday, November 1st or 2nd, I don't know. Anyway, it's nice and cool outside, probably about 50 degrees, maybe 48 degrees. And we're walking Scout, planning our day. Got a couple of folks who need some work done to their house. Crap. Got no poop bag. Oh well, I'll come back and get it. One lady needs some baseboards put in her living room. And then another lady has a blown down fence from the hurricane. I'm gonna have to make a couple of gates and put up a new privacy fence for her. It's not very big, just from the side of the house to the corner of the yard on each side, and it's a small yard. So that's what we got going on this week. But until we get started, we're going to walk Scout. Well, this is interesting. Shake, rattle, and roll. Not a good name for this. This boat's parked alongside the road. I have a feeling somebody just dumped this thing here, took the axles off of it. Yeah. Come here. Come here. What the fudge? Come here, Scout. Come on. Come on. Stubborn dog. Let's see what the note says here. Had to get parts for wheels, hubs. We'll return tomorrow. Alright, so it's not abandoned. But this thing is like broken spring. That's why I took the axles off. Spring's broken. Huh, interesting. Hey folks, John Canode here from Ormond Beach, Florida. We're on our way to Lowe's to pick up some material for the two jobs that we got. One being the gates and the fence for a woman, and then some baseboard material for another